Alright, between these two cars, we've got an ultimate test. Which tires are bald? Can you tell? Without looking closer. Alright. Put your answer down in the comments below. Alright, so it's day 2 into our series, getting ready for Beach Bash. The next part we're going to install in this FRS is some side skirts on my front lip. I'm not sure if this fits in frame, hopefully it does. And that's our front lip. Hopefully you guys can see the whole thing. I don't know how it looks on camera. We're going to have to put 3M tape on this, double-sided adhesive tape. Also got to drill into the bottom of the bumper, or bottom of the side. Today, Junior? You know what I mean. I just got some alcoholic rub pads. You don't need anything crazy. Just really just trying to get any finger residue or anything off of the side skirt where you're going to be applying the double adhesive side tape. So I may or may have not run out of tape. FBI, open up! Just know I do it for you guys because I love you. I make myself look stupid.
Say ooh. Say ooh.
Long story short, I got the tape. Now let's continue. I got it all taped up. And we're just gonna let the tape kind of sit for a second. I got to find the right drill bits anyways, and then also figure out where I'm gonna put some of the self-tapping screws. But they're almost ready to go on. All right, get closer, come here. What's that? I call her chandelier.
What's up, guys? It's Shit Films over here. You already know we're rocking with the Verdes on 19s, all right? So, you know, my boy Dallas over there, you know, it's his channel. Here he comments whenever he rides in the car. He's like, bro, you're scraping.
I know. You're done. You're done.
Yeah, bro, I don't know if this is gonna work well. 3M tape, I already had to rip a piece off there because it just didn't buy one. Well, we'll see.
Yeah, it's where the magic happens. It's where we honk 3 times before we take them to Gapplebee's. Yep. Before you guys say anything, you're like, why is this shift knob so big?
Alright, so we're gonna put this on now. Hopefully this will go on. Oh, you know what? Before that, I gotta prep the surface. Ooh. I'm glad I thought about that. I hate how small these things are.
Alright guys, we want your opinion down in the comments below, which if you want to see both of us go at it fully on a track, we plan on going down to a track in Mexico. If you guys want to see the video of that, just let us know down in the comments. But do you have anything else for the people of Shift?
I still gotta put in the bottom screws.
Not true.
But honestly, I probably won't show you guys. It's the same process. You just screw it in, self-tapping screws. It's not really of any concern, really. There's nothing extra, so yeah, that's it. I'll make sure I put the other tune on to push like 1,523.77.
Oh, what's your 0 to 60 on that thing?
Dude, there's no such thing as a 0 to 60.
It's like a spaceship,
yeah,
huh?
Bro. It's like a jet engine launcher.
It's like a spaceship.
All you see is this, bro. Here's the track. I'm John.
Whoa.
All right, guys, this is the final result. It's not like too noticeable. It's not meant to be. It's more like I guess an OEM kind of little of an extension. Disregard my bumper. I still got to fix that. But yeah, I'd say it came out pretty solid. She's coming together. She's looking good. Super happy with it.